Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today's video tutorial is about how to send money from your PayPal to your friends or family. So basically what friends and family is that when you send money to your friends and family via PayPal, you get lesser tax. You gotta pay lesser tax actually, because when you're sending money to other people, you have to pay a better tax on that amount. But if you're sending that money to your friends and family, basically you won't be actually paying any kind of tax. So for that, what you need to do is on your dashboard, head to send, and here what you need to do is you need to enter the email of the person or the contact number, depending on through which they are registered on PayPal. You need to remember that the person needs to be registered on PayPal, otherwise it won't be possible to get that person actually send that person the money or transfer that person the specific amount. So for that, what you need to do is you need to enter the email address of that person, and then you'll be able to transfer them the money. And before transferring them the money, what you need to do is you need to add that person or add that account to your friends and family, and it's going to show up right there when you are about to enter the details. So I'm going to enter and then we'll see that how I send the money. Once I do that and I click on the person, now as you can see, so I can say like, okay, we want it to be 5, okay, and then what's the payment for? This is creating my logo. Let's say this is the payment purpose, right? Click on continue, and after that it'll say your shipping address and stuff. Please add payment option and stuff, and then what you need to do is you need to send the payment, and then after that you'll be able to once here you enter the amount. What you need to do is you need to, if you have any payment option, I don't have any payment option set up for now because it's a demo account, but you'll have the payment option here, and instead of this you will have the option to add them to friends and family. And then once you add them there, and then you can just send the payment now, and within 3 to 5 business days, or even lesser than that, but the maximum it's going to take is 3 to 5 business days, that money will get transferred to that person's PayPal account. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can send money to any person or your friend, actually not any person, your friends and family on PayPal. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.